Ooh, there's a dog. He's a good one. There's a real good one. A blonde lab. He's gonna sit down for a bit. I don't know if this is a hunting dog or a fighting dog, so I don't know how close I can get. Must be a hunting dog, because dog likes me a lot. Oh, here they come. Just some fighting dogs up here. Vicious fighting dogs. See what he's doing. What's he thinking about? Well, you wonder. I saw that dog winning at the blackjack table last night up at the Strip. He was by himself. Now he's got a friend with him. Here's a dollar pop-up. All the stations have these dollar pop-ups. $3 stadium craps. That's the only $3 stadium craps in Vegas. Everybody else is $5 or more.
You know this, I heard that 70% of the people in the world can't do 30 push-ups. Now look at that dude right here.
To your club account and available for immediate download on your favorite slot or video poker machine.
On the way. These dogs have chopped up 6 people on the Strip so far. They act like they didn't do nothing. Look at them. Innocent. We got the video, buddy.
You know this, I heard that 70% of the people in the world can't do 30 push-ups. And look at that dude right here. 100.
To your club account and available for immediate download on your favorite slot or video poker machine.